Good morning. So I have just sown my seed. Yes, I have. Over there, my bird tables, and now I'm gonna go feed them. So if you want to check out that video, it will be either on this channel above, or it'll be on another one of my YouTube channels, because I have over 20 of them. I do. So type in Adelesexyuk in the search bar, and hopefully they will all pop up. Hopefully. So I'm gonna feed the birds. Oh, I've just got a table still. Oh, that's what I'm trying to do. Lots and lots of peanuts to go out. They seem to be the flavour at the moment, the peanuts. Peanuts! I might as well do all the peanuts first. Hello. A Rocky Robin. No mass bird food. I'm trying to empty the little bags before I start my big bag. That's what I'm trying to do. And then in the bottom tray down there, if I can get them open without opening the whole bag. Can you tell I've done that before? Sunflowers. I like sunflowers. Put a little bit on here. Doing like a little 3-course meal, shall we? Yes, so they'll be happy now. Disturb them. They will. So don't forget to like, subscribe, then come back and resubscribe because YouTube won't unsubscribe my subscribers. Find me on my social media, Twitter and Instagram is Adelesexyuk, Cocoscope Adelesexyuk, and then my OnlyFans, the freebie, the $10, and the naughty one. I'm gonna go wash my hands because I got soil all down my nails, and I'll see you all in the bedroom for the next videos. And it's not raining yet, no? So, pardon? I don't think I can sunbathe today now. It's a bit cold. See you later.